Well, back again. Got some more goodies for the F80. These are actually pretty damn rare. Not a few, or there's not that many sets out there. I think there's around maybe like 3 or 4 F80 M3s that I know of that have these on their car. So let's get to it. Bam. So these are Euro spec clear taillights. No visible red. It's just straight clear, but obviously the inner bars light up red, so they're still legal. But yeah, I know not a lot of people like these. I've always been a huge fan of clear tails. There's a lot of people that do it in Japan and Europe and stuff like that. I personally like them. It looks super clean, depending on like your setup, of course, but since I have chrome wheels again, I think these will look really good. Super excited to get my hands on another set. I actually had a set on my F80 340, so yeah, probably get these guys installed for you a little later. Got a little shade right here in the driveway, so I guess I'll go ahead and install the clear tails. Should be simple. I know they're for pre-LCI. When I installed them on my 340, which was an LCI car as well, like this one, I had to repin the connectors on the car. For the turn signal and the brake light, they were flipped, so I had to change that, but we'll see if I have to do that. Some people had to, some people didn't have to, but fairly easy install. I'm not going to do a full DIY, but I'll show you guys the repinning process and all that. But all you're going to do is remove this little pin right here, a little clip, use a flathead and turn it out, and then there's going to be 2 10mm bolts on each side, and then literally just pull the light straight out. And then as far as it goes for the inners, it's going to be a Phillips screwdriver. Yeah, literally just Phillips screwdriver and a pry bar to remove this piece, and then a 10mm bolt again holding in this. I'll show you guys as I go, but yeah, let's get to it. Just like that, got this one out, 2 10mm, and then there's like a little ball on this edge. You literally just pull straight out. Well, guess I got lucky. Like I said, it works for some, and some cars it doesn't, but my car is LCI and it just plugged up right in. I didn't have to swap the pins this time like I did on my 340. So just go ahead, get that bolted in and finish up. Damn, these look sick. I'm not really a huge fan of how it looks when it's lit up. More when the lights are off, the clear looks really good. Sick. Got both outer lenses on. Now I need to remove, let me see, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 8 of the Phillips head tabs, clips, whatever you want to call them, and then pull this off and get those babies in. Oh, I'm stupid. I forgot on the M's they have this safety triangle, and there's 2 screws behind that. I'm actually not going to remove this completely because now I have access to this bolt right here, so I could just unplug it, take this bolt out, and pop the lens off. Oh, got them all in. So they look not bad for what they are. I mean, like I said, I'm not a fan of how it looks when the lights are on. Let's see. Now that's better. So much better. I think it looks so good. I don't know. Like I said, I know not a lot of people are gonna like this. Not a lot of people usually do. But then again, my car. Do what I want. These are rare and actually sell for quite a lot of money. I've seen sets sell for $1,400. Crazy. My car's so dirty. I know I need to get it washed, but I've been kind of lazy. Not gonna lie. So probably do that later today. Whatever. These are on. Euro spec clear tails on my F80 M3. Here to take some pictures of the car with the clears, and I'm gonna be honest, I do not like them. I don't know if it's because I have red center caps and stuff. I feel like the red tails match so much better, so we'll see. I'll run them for a little, but I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm gonna sell them for sure. I'm really not a huge fan, but whatever, something different for a little. Guaranteed somebody will buy them. But whatever. Thanks for watching.